Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix update error, that is 0x800f0805. So if you are receiving this error on Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now you can check. Now you can go back to Windows and you can, if you see retry option, hit retry, check for update and then check. Still not working. In that case, you can pause the update. So here you can see pause option, hit pause. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates. Let the update install and then check. Still not working. You can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. So copy this link and open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update. So whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update. This is just an example. Whichever update is not installing, you write down that particular update and then click on search and then check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on Winver run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, the version is 2522H2. So in my case, it's 22H2 and then check your system type. So for this, you can go to Windows system and then scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. So for me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. So click on download and then click on that update and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, install this update manually, and once it is done, restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. And on this website, first of all, you can try the update now option. Use update assistant. You can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now, if there is any update option or install option over here, you can try to install it from here. If that does not work, on the same website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now. And this time you can run this exe file. Now, once you run this exe file, click on accept over here. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now will be selected. So make sure this is selected and then click on next. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept. And then here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 10 successfully and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.